panel of judges, my co-debaters, distinguished listeners, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I am standing here in front of you this evening in order to support my colleague, which says that science do more harm to society. Science do more good to society than harm. This is very true because of the following reasons, which I am going to tell you. First of all, if you take food production in our country, is of paramount importance that we must improve it, because adequate food production is very important, because it makes all the country to be very healthy and contented. It also makes the majority population of the country to be employed. Also, food production help us to export some goods to other countries in order to earn money. This area of production is greatly helped by science and technology. For example, through science and technology, scientists have introduced modern machineries which help greatly in the development of our country. In olden days, if you can remember that, the farmers can only use stone or horse in order to cultivate the land in which they will grow their crops. But if you consider the modern age now, as a result of scientific ideas which are now developed by people, a large area of land, more than 1,000 hectares, can be cultivated within 1 hour by using a large plant, that is a large machinery such as tractors, harvesters, planters, and the rest of them. Even the eggs of these chickens can be produced by using an incubator, which will help to hatch the eggs without making the egg to be rotten, as your hen can do. It also helps us to develop storage facility for the crops produced, such as the insecticide, the pesticide, and the rest of them, which they are developed by scientists in order to and the silos, which also enable us to store the food for a long period without wastage. Then also scientific ideas help us to have a strong analysis on how to control and prevent our farm animals against attacking from diseases such as mastitis, coccidiosis, pox, and the rest of the disease, which is as a result of scientists which investigate and find out different diseases which are harmful to our disease. So since science do this for our benefit, it is doing good to us. It's not a harm, because food production is very important. Also, if you come to the area of communication, when I say communication, I mean that the process of sending message from one area to another. Also in this area, scientists help us to communicate with different people in different parts of the world. For example, scientists have developed the way in which we can communicate. You are here, you can communicate with a person which is very far, a distance of more than 1 million kilometers. You can communicate with him, and there is a method in which you can communicate with a person and you can see him clearly. You can see his picture from a very important aspect of life, which help us, and they are introduced by scientists. Also, scientists help us in transportation. They also construct many machineries, many machines and devices which help us in order to transport ourselves and goods very easily. Also, scientists of many nationalities are now doing research, especially in physics, which is a branch of science, in order to develop many machineries, such as a color television, a radar at airport, also such as computers in banks, which help us to carry out our business and other activities easily. Also, without the use of science, all of you know that such people like Osama bin Laden, they are great scientists. They are all engineers, which help to develop even the Islamic religion. It's through them. Now everybody in the world have known them. They are all scientists, they are engineers and medical doctors. Even Osama himself has many professors in engineering and other courses of sciences, which help greatly in the development of Islam. Also, many developed countries, which they are said to be developed now, they are developed in sciences and the rest of them. With these few points, I hope that my opponents, you are fully convinced that science is more important than harm in the society. Thank you.
To, a masaurari Jamilu shi ma yana karfafa cewar a cikin wannan muhawara yana musanta Hamza da cewar ai amfanin science yana da yawa kwarai da gaske. Yace mu duba mu gani bangaren noma yadda aka samu ci gaba ta hanyar kimiyya, abinda ainihin akwai garmar shanu, akwai motoci wanda za su iya fidda abubuwa da dama wanda za a samu bunƙasa abinci cikin lokaci. Sannan wajen ainihin abin da ya shafi kiwon kaji, ya ce akwai injina wanda za a zo da su kwankwashe da kinkishe kwai miliyan ba tare da ɗaya an samu bara gurbu ba, kamar yadda kajinmu sun kwanta a kai, wani a haife shi wani kuma ya zama rubabbe.